In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Eventbrite tickets to your mobile wallet. By the end, you'll have your tickets ready on your phone for quick, contactless entry, even if you're offline. First, go to Eventbrite. Open Eventbrite in your web browser or the app and make sure you're in the account you used to purchase your tickets. This helps ensure you see the correct orders. A quick tip: having a stable internet connection will make the process smooth and prevent any loading delays, especially if your event has multiple tickets attached. Next, go to Orders. This is where all your purchased tickets live. In the app, you'll typically find orders on your profile or main navigation. On the website, it's available from the top menu. Once you're in Orders, you'll see a list of your upcoming and past events. Tap or click the event you want. You should now see the ticket details, including the event name, date, time, venue, and your ticket type. Take a second to confirm everything looks right so you're adding the correct ticket. From this page, select Add to Wallet. Depending on your device, the button may say Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Wallet. But it does the same thing. It creates a secure pass on your phone that can be scanned at the door. If you have more than one ticket under your order, you may need to add each ticket individually, especially if they're assigned to different attendees. Repeat the Add to Wallet option for each ticket you want on your phone. If you're sharing tickets with friends or family, make sure each person has access to their own pass so it's easy to scan at entry. That's it. Done. Your ticket is now saved in your phone's wallet. Wallet passes are designed to be quick to access from your lock screen when you arrive at the venue, and they usually display the QR code or barcode that staff will scan. They also show key details like date and seat or section if applicable, so you have everything at a glance. If you ever need to remove a pass, you can delete it from your wallet and add it again from Eventbrite later. As a good backup, keep your original Eventbrite confirmation email handy and avoid sharing screenshots publicly since your code is unique to you. To recap, open Eventbrite, go to Orders, open the ticket you want, and tap Add to Wallet. You're ready to go. Enjoy your event.